practical English. This Jari Ahmed is my son. Today he's vegetable seller and customer. Jari, how are you? I'm fine. I'm also fine. What do you sell? Jari told me I sell a lot of things. For example, potato, garlic, onion, plantain, cucumber, chili. Janet again told me, what do you need? I need garlic, onion. How much is it? How much is it? It is Taka 120 per kg. Can you read us something? Jared told me, I can't do it. Is it fresh? Yes, it is fresh. Definitely, you will give me good one. Okay, no doubt, I will give you right one.